In this lesson, learn how to close emails in a professional and friendly way. The words you use at the end of your message show your tone, attitude, and level of respect. Closings such as best regards, sincerely, thanks, and cheers each have different effects and should be chosen carefully based on who you are writing to and what the message is about. The closing line is the reader's final impression of your email. It shows politeness and signals that your message has come to an end. A thoughtful closing makes your communication feel complete, professional, and respectful. It also helps maintain a positive relationship with the person you are writing to by matching the tone and formality of your message. The phrase "best regards" is a polite and reliable way to end most professional emails. It sounds respectful and slightly warm without being too formal. You can use it in any business or workplace email when you want to keep a neutral, professional tone. For example, you might write, "Thank you for your time and support. Best regards," followed by your name. The word "sincerely" is a classic and formal way to close an email or letter. It communicates honesty and respect. This expression is perfect when addressing someone you do not know well or when writing to a manager, client, or official. For example, you might write, "I appreciate your attention to this matter, sincerely," followed by your name. It is best used in traditional or business correspondence. The closing's thanks or thank you add warmth and gratitude to your email. They work well when your message includes appreciation or a request. This closing sounds friendly while staying professional. For example, you might write, "Thanks for getting back to me so quickly," then sign your name below. You can use this with colleagues, clients, or anyone you want to thank politely. The closing cheers creates a relaxed and friendly tone. It is often used among coworkers, friends, or people you already know well. It sounds cheerful and upbeat but should be avoided in very formal situations. For example, you could write, "Looking forward to catching up soon, cheers," followed by your name. It keeps the message light while showing kindness. Selecting the right closing depends on the relationship and purpose of your email. Use "best regards" for a polite, neutral tone. Choose "sincerely" for formal, official messages. Use "thanks" or "thank you" when you want to express appreciation. Say "cheers" when the situation is casual and friendly. Matching your closing to your context helps you communicate clearly and respectfully. Closings leave a lasting impression, so choose them with care. Match the level of formality to the reader and the purpose of your message. Keep it simple, polite, and consistent with your tone. Always include your name after the closing. A thoughtful ending helps you sound professional and builds stronger connections in every email you send.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.